I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. And I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. So many times I wanted to put my arms around you just to be close to you. And in my head, it's just you and I don't know why I feel this way. Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. Now I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when.
Hello everyone, it's Charlene. How are you feeling? I'm feeling well. So today I want to show you how I'm using some things I found in my garage and my vintage china place that I just acquired to make this really cute shabby chic cottage style collage on my wall. Say that 5 times. So I laid out, well, first I rummaged through my garage to find the frame, and it was oval, and I knew right away, even though it wasn't as applique as I would have liked, it still served the purpose because of the shape. I love this shape in shabby chic style decorating. And so I decided to lay it down on the floor to kind of see what format I would like best, because at first I was thinking I would do this project with some old frames, like picture frames I had, and paint them. But then in the end I decided to make a picture wall somewhere else with my family pictures. And right here I decided just to simply do the frame in the middle, the little iron medallion piece above it, and flank it with 2 of my vintage china pieces. You know I love these plates, y'all.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time?
I actually do still wash dishes by hand. It's very relaxing, kind of. As long as like not like a party and you have to clean all the pots and pans, then I'm not so crazy about it. Anyway, y'all. So the other day I was watching Olivia's Romantic Home, and she showed us how to do DIY plate hangers, and I got so excited and tickled, and I started to make my own. I didn't have the pipe cleaner, so I used safety pin, I used hot glue, and some E6000, whatever dollar store version I found, and I used the black tape to hold it all in place. I did let that sit overnight, and so far so good. Was paint this frame with my homemade chalk paint. Okay, I simply use white paint. I think I use acrylic paint from Walmart, and baking soda. That's it. And then with the frame, I wet distressed it just around the edges, sort of like it would be if you found it just, in a Victorian shop somewhere. And then the glass had broken out, so I replaced the glass with this lace fabric. I found the lace fabric at the thrift store at some point, and I've been cutting it up and using it all over the house, which is a great tip, right? Just go to the thrift store and find some lace, and that way you're not really damaging anything valuable. And then those hearts that I purchased like last month, I did the same technique with the glue, the multi-glue tape, and so far so good. Again, it's holding up very well. And so all of this is going downstairs in the hallway on that black wall. I did decide to keep the wall black. It does need to be repainted only because I have so many holes. It doesn't look good. And I don't know what paint this was anymore. Which is bad, Charlene. When you're doing home decor projects, keep a notebook of your paint, where it came from. You can take the label and stick it in the notebook. You can write it down. You can take a picture and catalog it that way. But do something so you're not having to now start all over. So I'm going to keep the wall, and this is how I arranged my shabby chic cottage collage. I love it. It's so pretty to me and so soft and dainty. And also what I'm going to show you is the prelude. I have this wonderful mirror that I purchased from Kirkland's, and I got it for $15 because the top was damaged in shipping. So I'm going to show you how I use this wonderful product that is actually going to mimic the look, okay, of the other side with the applique. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be very simple and quick, and it turned out really nicely. Well, thank y'all so much for watching. I think I remembered everything I wanted to share with you today. I always do these videos and then forget what I want to say. I hate when I do that. Anyway, y'all have a good one.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. And I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. So many times I wanted to put my arms around you just to be close to you. And in my head, it's just you and